think I have to record the rest of the video in the morning because I'm doing something very simple. Is that, you know, I didn't put string the review, and that's all. I just have to say string, and as I know, just help me try. Maybe there's some other problem, but a string a review, I didn't define my review variable. And what I'm doing here, I'm just trying to, okay, what we do here, we just for the each word, and we remove the words they are not supposed to be. We check the forbidden word, and at the end of the day we write in the map. We haven't done any reduce, and we're gonna write about the reduce as well and see what is the most repeated word. And here I go for the reduce. I'm sure it's gonna be, this is my output, as you can see. And let's I just uncomment my reducer and just try to reduce them and see what we see. Okay, this is my reducer as a key, because I explained it before. I'm gonna just copy paste and already talk about the reducer, and this is our reducer effect. Yes, I'm gonna just copy this one and put it in my reducer, and I'm gonna do is okay, fine. But I'm here say I'm saying int count is 0, is the word each word in because we haven't done combiner. If I say value get, all of them is 1, is the same as in I'm saying that the count plus plus, and I don't need, because I haven't done combiner. But here I'm gonna say context variety key and then the count. Okay, and I think you're fine for iterable value, the values. Yeah, I think everything is fine now. If I, let's see what we have on the output. Before I was thinking review, there are multiple lines, but I just, because I was answering the question to somebody and realized is not multi-lines, it's just all of them is one. It means when you see the file in multi-lines, but it doesn't mean in the database is going to be the same, because Notepad is to break the line to show you everything on the page, on the screen. But if you open the file with the editor of the Python, you will see the line is horizontal, and it doesn't break and just go to the end. That's why it makes our job easier when the review is a line. That means for every line our map, as you can see, and you can see here, it's okay. The value, because here it's not as you can see, they are not repeating. And what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just do something and get the most repeatable word. And for doing that, I need a list. I need a list to put everything in the list, because I want to have access in the cleanup. And easy, I'm gonna say, okay, I'm gonna copy from here into my reducer and say, okay, I'm gonna have a list of the string and not reviews. I can say words, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna say, instead of writing in the context, I'm not writing in the context anymore, and I'm gonna just tell you, okay, and words, and okay, what I'm gonna do here, because I need the key and value together, and that's easy. I can say, okay, class info, and write it is the string a word, and I can say string a word and then say okay, enter value, integer. I don't need to integer class, I can enter value. What I'm going to do here, and just class info and say okay, info is I'll just say class with I. Okay, you say my info, actually I'm saying info is then my info is equal new, and I just put them on constructor as well, is the info with string of what is you want to string s and one enter w. I'm going to say okay, is the string word is going to be s and value is going to be v. And what I'm doing here, I'm going to say okay, just for every info new is the new of the info, and just going to say okay, and I'm going to say new info, and what is the value is going to be the key is the key dot to. What happened here? I don't have okay, key dot to string and I'm gonna say okay, this value is going to be the count actually, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have the list, and instead of list I'm gonna have the info list of the info, and I just going to have a list of the info and I add it here. As you can, I hope is already have this information, and what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna say for it's the info, okay, and I'll say info inf in my info as okay. What I'm gonna say my little votes is there going to be votes info the key string. My info, okay, I didn't add it. I have to say votes dot add my info. I'm adding to the list in the map and in the cleanup. I haven't done properly. I'm just trying to show you info in my votes. Okay. And here, what I can do, I can write the code for sorting this list, by the value of the is the by value and not by words. But as you can see here, I'm gonna write let's do something and say okay, if let me I say my info is my best is equal, and just say if my inf dot value, okay, I'm gonna say info my best is the int the best as well, is the int the best is equal to 0 if my inf at value, I think is that my inf is value is more than is the best, then here my best is equal to inf. I'm trying to find the best one, and that's let's see. I think I have to go for the next video as well. I don't know why it's so passing so quickly, and I have some error. I'm gonna fix the error and I just come back for the next video to show you how to find the best what is the most repeatable word in the review. Thank you. Bye bye.